loves. So for phonics today, we're going to review some special sounds. The last ones that we learned. There are a lot here because we learned there are a lot of special sounds here because we learned a lot of special sounds already. But we're only gonna review these, okay? Starting with third and three. So we're gonna review these and then we're gonna work on the paper together. Okay? So are you ready? We gotta review these, K5. Oh, you need to practice your special sounds, especially when you're reading your words, because a lot of you are still, you know it's a special sound. If we ask you to circle it, you're gonna circle it, but when it's time to read, you're trying sounding it out. And special sounds, we do not sound out, okay? We cannot sound out special sounds. Some of them, we're gonna be lucky enough that we're gonna be able to sound out and it's going to work, but a lot of them, if you try sounding it out, it's not gonna make any sense. So you gotta, special sounds are sort of like sight words. You gotta look at it and know what it says. Okay, look at it and know what it says. So this one is thir and three. Thir. So if you see THR, you got to remember that it says thir. Thir and three. R in stars. Ch in church. Whoops. Whoops. My morning is trying to run away from me. Or in morning. Ow in out. Ow in owl. O in bowl. In verse. In bird. In nurse. In book. War in worms. I in night. So these are the last ones that we have learned. So now it's your turn. Okay, I'm gonna show them to you and I want you to say it. And then if you're having trouble, go back on the video and do it with me one more time. Okay? But now it's your turn, all by yourself. Awesome job! Again, if you're still having trouble, go back on the video and do it with me again, okay? Now we're gonna work on a paper together. So go ahead and grab this paper. It's a phonics paper, page 199. Page 199. So you're gonna grab it, you're gonna grab your pencil, you're gonna write your name, beautifully done, inside the lines. You can press pause on the video while you do that, and when you're ready to begin, you can press play again so we can do it together, okay? So number one says, choose the word that best completes each sentence and write it in the blank. So there are two sentences and there are two words. Each one of these words will go with each one of these sentences. So first of all, let's read the words. Read it with me. You can look at your paper. You're probably not going to be able to see it here, but you can look at the paper that you have right there with you. Okay? Again, page 199. R, star. Look at that. Two special sounds. St in stop, R in star. St, R, star. St, a, sta, sta, stam, stamp, stamp. So the words are star and stamp. Now we gotta read the sentences to see which word is gonna go with which sentence. J, A, J, J, N, Jane. A, ha, ha, z, has. Jane has a star. Jane has a star. Does Jane have a star? Jane does not have a star. Jane has a stamp, stamp. Jane has a stamp. Does Jane have a stamp? Yes, so you're gonna write stamp in the space provided here for you. Beautifully done. I want to say beautiful letters. And then you go to the next sentence. I see a star. I see a star. Is that what we see? Yes, so you're going to write star in the space provided here. And then you go to number 2. Number 2 says mark the vowels. If there's one vowel in the word, it usually says its short sound and gets a smile. If there are 2 vowels in the word, the first one says its name and the second one is silent. Shh. So the first one gets a line on top and the second one we cross it out. So there's already 2 examples here for you. The first example has 2 vowels. So the first one says its name and it gets a line on top and the second one is silent, so it's crossed out. And then the second example only has 1 vowel, so there's a smile. So let's look at the next word. How many vowels? 2 vowels. So the first one gets a line and the second one is silent. So what do we do with it? We cross it out. Next word, how many vowels? 1 vowel, so he gets a smile. Next word, how many vowels? 2 vowels. So we put a line on top of the first one and the second one we cross it out. And you're going to do the same thing for all the other words. I did the first row with you, all of them. So the rest you do by yourself, okay? Make sure you're counting the vowels. And when you are done, read the words to practice, okay? And then you're going to flip it over. And in the back side, it says, circle the special sound you hear. This is a picture of a clock. Clock. So do you hear sp in spade? Do you hear coal in clock? Or do you hear sm in smoke? Coal in clock, so circle coal. Next one is a picture of a tree. Do you hear coal in clock, spur in spring, or tur in truck? Tree. So we hear tur. Very good. So we got a circle tur. Next, we have a picture of a flower. Full hour. So do you hear full? Do you hear sp? Or do you hear skr? Full, sp, skr. Flower. Yes, so you're going to circle full. Next, we have a picture of grass. 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 So do you hear sk, gr, or kul? Gr. So you're going to circle gr. Next, we have a picture of a broom. 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 So do you hear gr? Do you hear fur? Or do you hear burr? Burr. So you're going to circle burr. Burr and broom. Awesome. And the last one is a smile. So do you hear sm, smile, sm, jur, or tw? Sm. So you're going to circle sm. Awesome job. Let's go over these special sounds one more time. All of them. Sp, coal, sm, coal, spur, chur, full, sp, skr, sk, gur, coal, gur, fur, burr, sm, jur, tw. Awesome job. You need to practice these. Remember, look at it and know what it says. And then number 4 says read each sentence and do what it says. So I'm not going to read them for you because then I'm going to be telling you what to do. Okay, but you need to read them. There are, let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sentences. Each one of these sentences is going to tell you to do something on the picture. So in order to do what you need to do, you have to read the sentences and follow the directions. Okay? And then you are all done with this paper.